Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to share Polarsteps trips with anyone on any social media platform, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so let's climb in. So you can share a previous trip or you can share a current trip. All you need to do is jump into any one of those trips from your home page, and you'll see right at the top you can see a little share icon. And here you can see you can share it on directly to Facebook, directly to Twitter, or directly via email, or you can just click and copy the secret code. You can just use Control-C to copy, and then you can paste it wherever you would like to share it. Now the same thing can be done on the mobile app. From this home page over here, all you need to do is jump straight into one of the trips just like this, and you'll see a trip menu on the top of the page. Once you're in here, you'll see that there are a few options right at the bottom. Again, Facebook, email, and WhatsApp. And now the secret link, you can just click on this, share this link, and it'll give you the option to copy the link or share it to a variation of applications on your device.